What's up, Knights? Welcome to today's video. So I just got done doing some laundry at the laundromat, and they had a TV playing. And on the TV, they had one of those stations that plays nothing but like old TV shows. It was specifically an old comedy TV show, like all black and white TV shows, and around the early days of color. At least that's how it was when I was a kid. That's what those channels showed. And this channel was showing some black and white stuff. But then Full House came on, and I'm like, is Full House that old? Like, how old am I? Ah! Like, when I was a kid, Full House was not on the old comedy shows channel. It wasn't on that channel. It was on a regular comedy channel. It wasn't on the oldies channel. And I'm thinking in my head, like, how old am I getting if Full House is on the oldies station? Like, that baffles my mind. Anyway, laundry's done. Just got to pick up some antibiotics because I have a nasty spider bite on my leg, and it is excruciating. So much pain. I am not happy about it. It's very uncomfortable. We're going to keep rocking and dealing with it because I got things to do this weekend. One of the things I got to do is I got to take care of my girlfriend because she actually is sick right now. So I'm at Walmart fixing to pick up a couple ingredients for dinner tonight. I'm going to walk y'all through dinner. I am making a bone broth soup. Stay tuned for that. What's up, Bubbles? What's up, Bubbles? There you go. Oh, big stretch. And of course, you already got a toy. Let's make some soup. The first thing we do is we roast the bones in the oven, and then we transfer them to the pot. Now in this pot, I got some chicken broth, just to get some extra flavor and nutrients while it cooks. Now we bring the pot to a boil. And once it's boiling, we shall turn the heat down so it can become a simmer. And once it starts simmering, Once it starts simmering, we'll cover it up and let it just cook for about 6 hours. Now I'm going to go ahead and peel up some garlic and then chop it up a little bit. Along with some chives as well. Gotta get some chives in there just for flavor. Some nutritional value, mostly just for some flavor. Now we're going to take some more chicken, chop it up. This chicken's going to go in there towards the end of the cooking, just that way it has some more meat in there, make it a real soupy soup. And here in a few minutes, we're also going to be adding some vegetables after we let this chicken cook a little bit. Of course, we got to season it with some umami, just so the meat has a little bit of a better meaty flavor to it. After that, we're going to add some garlic, some paprika, a few other seasonings. Alright, so now we got the meat inside of there. We're going to let this cook for a little while, and then we'll start the deboning process of the bones that are in there. Okay, here's the almost final product. We're just missing one more ingredient, which is the heavy whipping cream. We're just gonna give it a more like creamy kind of soup-like base. But this is pretty much it so far. You know, we got plenty of chicken in there. The bones are gone. We got mushrooms, we got carrots, peas, green beans, lots of chicken. And that bone broth itself that cooked for 6 hours, which lets the bone marrow properly seep out of the bones. Alright, here's the heavy whipping cream itself that I used. And this is what the soup looks like after the heavy whipping cream is added. Look at that. That's a beautiful color. This stuff was extremely tasty, by the way. I want y'all to know this was delicious beyond all recognition. Okay, y'all, that soup was amazing. It was delicious, and it was very nutritious. I loved it. It was great. It is now the very next day. My girlfriend is at work, even though she is more sick than she was yesterday. I hate that for her, I really do. I wish she didn't have to go to work, but she works the kind of job where she can't call out unless she finds a replacement for the day, which makes me so grateful that I have a job where I can call out. As long as I have sick days, I can call out. And trust me, y'all, if I'm sick tomorrow, which I'm starting to feel a bit sick, if I'm sick tomorrow, I will be calling out. I really hope I'm not getting sick, because that's going to suck. Because I have to be on Fox News's live stream, The Post, in 3 days. This Wednesday, I have to be in downtown Dallas on Fox News's live stream talking about my book, Frederick the One-Legged Goose, which I am so ecstatic for, and I'm going to that no matter what. I don't care if I'm sick as a dog. I'll take some Dayquil. I'll take some sore throat lozenges. I'll drink an energy drink. I don't care. I am going to that interview because this interview is so important. To think about, a couple months back, I'm just hanging signs, hanging flyers in different businesses, trying to promote my book the best that I can. So a couple months ago, I'm just hanging flyers, and now I'm fixing to be on Fox News' live stream, The Post, to discuss my book. Well, the dog just jumped off the bed very dramatically. All right, so I'm so ecstatic about this. I'm so excited because Frederick the One-Legged Goose, my book, is such an amazing story that teaches so many lessons that every kid needs. And every kid with a disability and without a disability can learn more about disability awareness and what it is like to not fit in, and learn the fact that they can fit in. And no matter what you look like or how you move, you can still be part of a community, be part of society, have friends, and still succeed in life. And that is just concepts and lessons that every kid needs to learn, disability or not. Every kid needs that. So I am so excited to be talking about this book on Fox News. Of all places, Fox News. This is crazy. Literally just hanging flyers in parks and different businesses a couple months ago, and now I'm fixing to be on the news, on Fox News' live stream called The Post, and I am so freaking ecstatic. So if I'm sick, I'm still freaking going. I don't care. So I will spend the next couple of days getting better. If I wake up sick tomorrow, I will call out from work for those days to give myself the best possible chance at being presentable as possible for this live stream. But oh, y'all, I'm so excited about this. I really am. This is an amazing opportunity, and I've been working hard for it, and I can't wait, honestly. Like, I'm still baffled. I'm hanging flyers one day, and the next day I'm going on Fox News. Oh, that's crazy. So really hope I'm not getting sick. Even if I do, it is what it is. I'm still going to take care of my girlfriend. Like last night, I'm feeding her soup. I'm, making her tea. I'm cuddling her. I'm doing all these different things. And I'll do the same exact stuff today because I love her and I want to make sure she's okay because she's my girlfriend. Okay. That's that. I'm not letting her suffer alone. And no man should ever let their woman suffer alone. No matter what you got going on in life, never let your woman suffer alone, guys. And it's the same thing goes with women with guys. And women, don't let your guys suffer alone, Don't. Just be part of the solution, not running away from the problem. Anyway, Knights, hope y'all had a wonderful rest of y'all's day. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I am going to kind of relax a little bit. I'm sorry for that little nasal drip. Don't like that, but it is what it is. Continue to grow how y'all need to grow. Stay noble. Live that no bull lifestyle. And check out my book, Frederick the One-Legged Goose. Check that out. And stay tuned for Fox News around 11:30 a.m. on Wednesday, the 4th. I will be on their live stream called The Post. Check that out too, Knights. Plug. Just plugging away stuff right now. But have a good day, Knights. I'll catch you on the next video.